Imagine a black hole, not light years away at the heart of some distant galaxy, but lurking silently right here in our own solar system. No warning, no detection, just a dark, invisible monster pulling on the very fabric of space. And we wouldn't even know it's there. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it might be science fact. Today on Knowledge Hub, we're diving into one of the strangest and most spine-tingling theories in modern astronomy, the possibility that a tiny, hidden black hole could be right under our cosmic nose. It all starts with a mystery. In the outer reaches of our solar system, far beyond Neptune, something is disturbing the orbits of icy objects in the Kuiper Belt. These objects, like Sedna and others, aren't following the neat, predictable paths we'd expect. Instead, they seem to be tugged off course, as if something massive, something we haven't seen yet, is exerting gravitational influence on them. Astronomers have named this possible culprit Planet 9, a hypothetical planet several times the size of Earth. But here's the thing, despite years of searching, we haven't found it. No planet, no heat, no light, nothing. This brings us to a bold and terrifying alternative. What if it's not a planet at all? What if it's a primordial black hole? A tiny but incredibly dense object, perhaps no larger than a bowling ball, yet with the mass of several Earths. These kinds of black holes could have formed shortly after the Big Bang. They wouldn't emit light, they'd be nearly impossible to see, but their gravity? That would still affect nearby objects, just like we're seeing in the outer solar system. And if one of them was orbiting our sun, it could explain the weird gravitational patterns we've observed. Now, let's be clear. This is a fringe theory. Most astronomers still lean toward the idea of an undiscovered planet. But the black hole hypothesis is gaining attention, especially as more searches for Planet 9 come up empty. Researchers from Harvard and other institutions have proposed specific ways we could detect such a hidden black hole, like looking for flashes of light when it occasionally interacts with passing comets or small dark matter clumps. And there's even talk of launching space missions in the future that could scan the region for micro-lensing effects, subtle distortions in starlight caused by a compact object like a black hole. So if there is a black hole out there, should we be worried? Not really. If it exists, it's likely orbiting far beyond Pluto, at hundreds of astronomical units away. It wouldn't be gobbling up planets or slingshotting comets at us. It would just sit there, like a silent ghost in the dark, tugging gently on the edges of our solar system. But just knowing it's there would change everything we thought we knew about our cosmic neighborhood. It would mean our solar system isn't just home to planets and moons, but also to one of the most extreme objects in the universe. If astronomers confirm a black hole in our solar system, it would be a historic discovery. We'd have direct access to study a black hole up close, something no other civilization, as far as we know, has achieved. We could learn how black holes interact with normal matter, test new theories of gravity, and maybe even learn more about dark matter and the early universe. It could lead to revolutionary technologies, or at least inspire a new generation of scientists and explorers. So, is there a black hole hiding in our solar system? Maybe not. But the fact that it's even a plausible idea shows just how weird and wonderful our universe truly is. We're still discovering the secrets of our own backyard. And who knows what other cosmic surprises are waiting out there in the dark? If you enjoyed this mind-bending journey, hit that like button, share it with a fellow space nerd, and don't forget to subscribe. For more videos like this, visit and subscribe to Knowledge Hub.